There's a stretch of coastline on Vancouver Island where life slows right down. On a quiet half an acre with the ocean in the front and the shop in the back, this property has figured it out. Step inside to warm, wood-vaulted ceilings that rise over the living room, with that West Coast light filling every corner. With 3 bedrooms, a den, and a mezzanine, and a house that has been meticulously cared for. Out back is where it gets serious. A detached shop, 28 by 32 with 12-foot ceilings. Accompanied by a boathouse, we have room for the boat, RV, the projects, and all the toys. Walk to the beach in the morning, enjoy the views while you sip your morning coffee, work in the shop in the afternoon. Ocean views and room for everything, and the coastal life you've been looking for. DM us or call us for more info.